In this video, we'll look at access tables, the way that they store dates and times, and some of the formatting you can apply to those saved dates and times to make them appear differently, to have a different display format when shown to a user. In this table, I have set up several fields, each of which is a date-time field. These date and time fields are exactly the same date and time, copied from one field to the other. They're exactly the same. They will appear differently when a user looks at them because of the formatting applied. Keep in mind that regardless of the format, the underlying values are the same in all these fields. The first field on the left in the table, is the date and time stored with no format applied. This field will display the date and time exactly as it is stored. The second field is a built-in access format called long date. When the long date format is applied to a date, it shows the name of the weekday, in this case Thursday, the name of the month, in this case November, the day and the year of that underlying date. The second standard built-in access date format is called general date. When it is applied to the 2-digit month, 2-digit year, day, 4-digit year, and the time. Note that my Windows regional settings are set to the US. I see month, date, year. Other parts of the world where you use different regional settings, you will see day, month, year. Just keep that in mind as you look at my dates that I'm using the US date and time format, and I will see month, day, year, and you will see in my demo month, day, year. I also created several custom formats. The first one is year, month, day in that format. It is a custom format. It is achieved by using the 4-character YYY for year, the delimiter, the 2-character month, and delimiter, and the 2-character day. The result of that format is 2015 11/12, where 11 is the month, 12 is the day. And again, the date stored in this field is exactly the same as in the previous 3. It just looks differently when displayed with this format. The next one is another custom format. It is 4-digit year, 2-character month, 2-character day, hours, minutes, seconds, and AM, PM. And it will result in something like 2015 11/12 10:44:04 AM. The next custom format is a 2-digit month and year only. That's achieved by using a custom format, MM for months, comma for the delimiter, and the 4-digit year. And the result would be something like 11, 2015. The next custom format is the string version of the month and year. I accomplished this format by using 3 characters, MMM, that results in the 3-character abbreviation for the name of the month, comma for the delimiter, and the 4-digit year again. So the result, for example, would be NOV, comma, 2015 for November 2015. The next one is the full name of the month spelled out. We achieve that custom format by using 4 M's, M, 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 M. Again, the delimiter, comma, 4-digit year, and the result is the spelled out November 15. The next one is kind of nonsensical because you can accomplish with custom formatting. I formatted this one as the 4-character DDDD to display the full name of the weekday, comma, delimiter, and then the 4-digit year, and the result would be something like Friday, comma, 2015. 4-digit year, and the result would be something like Friday, comma, 2015. The last custom formatting that I illustrated in this table is 4-digit year, 2-digit month, 2-digit day. The result of this formatting will be 2015 11/12. Let's look at the table, the same table in Datasheet view. Keep in mind that in the design view, we're seeing how these dates are formatted. In the Datasheet view, we're seeing how they're displayed. Note that in the No Format field, it is showing the U.S. standard 12/7/2018 with the time. All of the other fields in this record contain exactly that same date. They just look different when displayed in Datasheet view because of the formatting applied as we discussed above. You can see, for example, if we click into the field, which is showing Friday, December 7th, that actually the value stored is 12/7/2018, 9:50 a.m. Exactly the same as the first field with no formatting applied. When we put focus on the next field, formatted with the general date, it also reveals that the underlying value is the same as the no format. But because general date is the same as no format, in effect, those two look the same. The fourth one, is year, month, day. The fifth one, again, when you put focus on it, it flips back to the underlying value. But this time, notice that it is formatted with the year first, then the month, then the day. A 2-digit month year shows the same pattern. Underlying data formatted for a different display. And as noted above, each one of these dates is exactly the same. And as you can see here, Friday 2015 or 2018 makes no sense in most cases because there were 52 of those. But just as a way to illustrate, you can do it. The final one here is the 2018 12/07, which is the 4-digit year, month, and day. These formats then change the way each date looks to a user, but it does not change the underlying date and time, and that's an important thing to remember when you're looking at dates and times and trying to decide how to handle them in Access.